Welcome YouTube, it's Family Driver here again. Today I would like to give you a quick update on what's happening. I didn't post any videos for last 3 weeks and I think I owe you the explanation. So basically I don't have my car from almost 3 weeks now, and it is really annoying, and I'm hoping that I will get it back tomorrow so I can go back to filming and I can go back to nice drives, because at the moment I'm driving a Merc GLA 180, which isn't a very exciting car and it doesn't really fit me very well because I'm quite tall. But going back to what's happening, I've got a couple of mods waiting for the car to come back so I can install them. So I'm planning to carry on installation of MTEC spacers. So I bought two 10mm spacers for the front axle and two 12mm spacers for the rear axle. So I'm hoping to install it this Sunday. And I've got another mod. So I finally purchased the mid pipe. So the mid pipe I was thinking about for so long, and I was worried that it might be too loud and too annoying to my neighbors. Well, I finally bought it. So installation will probably wait until next week. So I'll give you a further update on that shortly. However, you know, I'm looking forward to it. There is another video coming soon on comparison of the MP exhaust with a modified standard back box. So one of the guys I met recently on the BMW forum modified his standard box, and I just before I installed the mid pipe, I thought it would be worth to record a video and compare both. So I'm sure many people were wondering, you know, what's better? Is it worth to go with MP and pay £700 or about £450 for a used one, or it's better rather to take, you know, standard box, take it to one of the welders and basically let them make a magic for about 250 quid. So that's coming probably within a week or so. There will be hopefully another video from baby BMW forum drive, which, if I'm gonna get my car tomorrow, will happen this Saturday. So again, I'm looking forward to that to happen, and the video will probably come out within a week or so. So this is everything I wanted to talk about in this video, so I will wrap it up here. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and please don't forget to give me thumbs up if you enjoy my videos. There will be a lot of content coming out in the next couple of weeks, and a big trip coming soon as well to Scotland with a couple of friends. See you next time. Bye.